once upon a time nestled in the serene embrace of lush mountains. There was a quaint village where the air was pure, and the streams whispered ancient secrets. In this village lived a wise Zen master named Kaito. Kaito was known for his profound wisdom, and his ability to impart lessons that transcended the ordinary one day. A curious and contemplative young boy named Hiro approached Ko with a troubled mind. Hiro was known for overthinking every situation, turning simple matters into complex puzzles. The boy approached the wise master and asked, "Master Kaito, how can I find peace within myself? My thoughts race like a turbulent river, and I can't seem to find calmness." Ko, with a gentle smile, invited Hiro to join him on a walk through the mountains. The two embarked on a journey, walking in silence as the mountains echoed with the soothing sounds of nature. After a while, Kaito stopped and pointed to a beautiful cherry blossom tree. "Hiro, do you see this tree?" he asked. "Yes, Master Kaito, it's a lovely tree." Hiro replied, "Observe its branches." "Hiro, do they worry about the future, or dwell on the past?" Kaito asked. "No, Master. They simply exist in this moment." Hiro observed. Kaito nodded approvingly. "Just like the branches of the tree, your mind should be free from the burdens of overthinking. Embrace the present, for it is the only moment that truly exists." As they continued their walk, Ko picked up a small pebble and handed it to Hiro. "Hold this pebble in your hand and tell me everything you know about it." Hiro examined the pebble, describing its color, texture, and weight. He shared his thoughts on where it might have come from, and how long it had been there. "Good," Kaito said. "Now let go of the pebble." Hiro opened his hand, allowing the pebble to fall to the ground. "It's just a pebble," he remarked. "Likewise, Hiro, your thoughts are like pebbles. Hold on to them when necessary, but learn to let them go when they serve no purpose. Stop overthinking, and you'll find the peace you seek with this newfound wisdom." Hiro felt a weight lifted from his shoulders. The mountains, the trees, and the gentle breeze seemed to whisper the same message. Be present, young one, stop overthinking, and you will discover the beauty of the here. And now, from that day forward, Hiro practiced the art of mindfulness, and with each passing moment, he found greater peace within himself. The village in the lush, serene mountains continued to thrive, and the wisdom of Master Kaito echoed through the valleys, guiding others to embrace the simplicity of the present moment. Thanks for joining us on Wisdom Diaries. We hope today's story have brought positivity to your day. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family. Your support means a lot as we continue this journey together. Stay inspired, and see you in the next video.